Right? It doesn't look bad anymore, right? Good?
I just saw Cardi in my chat.
Okay, I need to go to the bathroom and do something real quick. And then I'm ready. Mods, run a predict.
You have good FPS, but I can see the delay. Trust it works.
No, that shit made my whole entire PC fucking stream lag, and it made me have max back loss when I was using it the first time. Yo, can you tell Ron already up, by the way? Chat, tell Ron already up. Wait, maybe I can tell. No, I don't have it on. Yo, Ron, can you ready up or no, dude? I don't even know if that works. Yo! Oh, wait, did that work?
Shut up, bro. Shut the fuck up.
Make me. Bitch. Dude, this jersey kind of smells. Is it me? I mean, it might be me. I mean, it probably is me, to be honest. I don't know if I win this, by the way, chat, because the ping's gonna be mad fucking high. Wait, am I on East or Central?
Surprise, motherfucker.
Oh wait, my game looks crazy good right now. Wait, hold up. I don't know if my fucking...
Surprise,
Wait.
motherfucker.
Wait. What up, chat? No way. Oh, I have it on.
Surprise,
Okay.
motherfucker.
Yeah. I was seeing my settings. Wait, full screen performance. Why does my shit feel so fast? Yo, who the fuck is Michael? Who the fuck is Michael? Michael, yo, can you join streamer mode, please? Yo, Michael, can you spectate, please? I don't want to have to redo the lobby. Thanks, bro. Thanks. Hey, W Michael in the chat. W Michael in the chat, bro. That's actually mad nice. That's actually mad nice. I had it on public and he did that. Yo, face it with the 5 gifted, bro. Thank you so much, bro.
Gen X at lag bug sometime for the first game of CC, but it's back. You will see the difference.
Yeah, but I can't have that 25 minutes of my stream crashing. No, that's actually mad nice. I can't lie. I can't believe homie just risked playing with us. And to be honest, I mean he's gonna be in our lobby longer now. Whoa, why does my shit look like this? I don't know why my shit looks like this. Lacey still got it, but I'm gonna be honest. Does it look weird for you guys or no? Why does it look like this? Like, I feel like... Hold on, let me fix my settings. I feel like it looks like foggy, but like... You know what I'm saying? Oh, they invited me? Yeah, tell me. Oh my god, I'm on duel. Hold up. Is it the max response time? Yo.
Let's go, bro. Come on.
Yo. Let's get
Let's
team.
go.
Yo.
How you guys doing, bro? You alright?
Oh, fuck.
I got this.
Then pick at 21.
I got this.
Come on, Ron. I believe it.
How's your guys' day going? Y'all having a good day?
Yeah, pretty good. We're about to win the Cash Cup today.
If y'all qual, bro. Dude, I mean, I'll be impressed. I can't lie. I think Ron just needs to really put up a good performance here, and it's possible. I think Lacey still got him. Lacey be playing off stream.
No. Yeah, I'll be grinding this shit.
I think my settings are wrong.
Oh, did you glitch out, Ron?
I think I'm, no. You know what it is? It's my double movement. Why is it like this? It's not right. No, it actually isn't.
Was that double movement? It might have been.
Hold on. Let me really try. Hold on.
Wait, Lacey, what stream are you
Shut
streaming?
up. Hold on.
It's my new streamer.
Yeah, where is that? Is that Jason?
In LA. No. It's the one adapted to Subathon.
Oh, and then is Max's the entrance?
Oh, bro! My
Hold on.
PC just
Hold
fucking
on.
lagged.
Hold on.
Oh my god, my PC just lagged out.
Dude, this fucking, it's the servers run. It's so laggy.
Yes, the servers just made my
Well, this is how it's gonna be in
bridge.
game, bro. I'm on 30 ping too. I think you guys might have better
Oh,
ping.
you don't understand. My
It's Central,
PC's not working.
You're on dual PC. What do you mean?
Hold on. Stop.
So who's
Flops?
ideal?
Me.
Okay, that's not a bad idea.
Flux! Cause you know I still got it and shit. Good drop, Lacey.
You took 100 ball on that drop.
No, I didn't.
Oh my god! Hold on!
Oh my god!
That Loki just hit a stinker!
Wait a minute!
Wait, I got this, guys. Ron doing the stinky in the open. You guys mics muted or something? What's going on? Yes? CLIX, how does it feel that you were the first victim of the biggest trend in the world right now?
Dude, I was a victim every single time. I don't think I had a non-victim moment out of any of the times that happened, bro. But isn't that crazy? I saw
Stop putting
Steph
the
Curry
top.
doing it, dude.
I know.
He was alive, bro.
Hold on. You think you can kill me?
Come on, Ron. Show him why you're the big black dog.
I'm such a big black dog. I think CLIX is forgetting who I am.
Okay, let me see it. Let me see something crazy.
He's an FNCS chomp.
I know, dude. I am too.
No, you're not. Game glitched.
Your shit lag out right there?
Alright, let's run a prediction. Let's go right now.
All right, start from
First five.
zero? Start from zero? All right,
Yeah,
Mods,
it's
Yeah,
first.
start from zero right now. First
Mods,
five.
making me
Mods,
run
run
it
the
back.
predict. Mods, run the predict.
Let's go. Let's actually
Make
try
me
right
run
now.
it back.
Come on.
All right.
No, it's actually try, Ron.
Let's actually try. Like on God, let's try.
All right, on God, let's go. Let's do it.
Dumb kid doesn't know who he's fucking with. 120.
Nice. I'm putting pressure on him. Coming on.
Hold on. I'm putting him in a.
You know what? Fuck it. I'm going for a clip. I'm going viral on Twitter. Fuck it. I'm going viral on Twitter.
Lacey,
I'm going viral on Twitter, Ron.
Lacey, it's just you.
Oh my god.
1-0.
Great shot, Lacey. Great shot.
Oh my god.
That was a great shot. That was a great fucking shot.
Hold on. I got one now. Now I got one, Lacey. Now I got one.
Hit a clip, Ron. Put him in your montage.
I am the clip. Dude, it's just so laggy. You got this, Lacey. Come on, finish him. Finish him. Lacey, just finish him. Finish.
Lacey's actually not ass. What the fuck?
Good fucking shit, bro. Good fucking shit.
Why is Lacey
Good
not
shit.
ass?
All right, it's my turn now. I got this, Lacey. Stay back, Lacey.
all right.
Lacey, stay back. Lacey, stay back. Lacey,
You got this, Ron.
come on.
Ron?
Oh, no, you got aimbot. You got the DNA
Ron?
shit, huh?
Why'd Ron go quiet? Hello?
Dude, I swear to God when I say this, I'm not farming. This is so laggy. It's
Dude,
insane.
it's gonna be like this when you're playing too.
There's
Bro,
no
it
way.
doesn't matter. If we have a good first game, all that we need to do is just play placement, right, Clicks?
Yeah,
and
yeah.
Clicks, I have that new piece control hack.
Dude, I don't know what you're talking about. I saw someone write that in my chat.
Oh, we know you have it. Don't worry.
Oh, nah. What is it?
Caught. Yellow dude with hands up.
15, 15. 10, 10, 10. $140, what are you doing? Shoot him! Oh, he's 79 HP. Get him. He's white.
Come here, Lacey. Come here.
He's pretty white still.
No, I'm actually not white at all.
Oh my god, Ron's running at me like a fucking cheetah. But it's okay, because I'm a monkey.
I haven't seen this in so long. Holy shit. Dude, I feel like I'm in COVID right now. Show me something, Clicks.
Oh, damn.
What? I'm on your...
Oh, fuck, sorry, Lacey. Lacey. Oh my.
Wait, he got that piece control hack, I can tell. I can tell when someone's got that piece control hack, I can tell. He's got it. Now he's got that shit locked and loaded.
I can't believe you guys are actually playing the cash code.
We're gonna win. And we're playing OG FNCS too.
Dude.
Oh, this is news to me.
That's
We're
not
coming back for a season. Coming on your back, Clicks.
I got him. I got him. I literally killed you. Wait, what's the score?
3-2, you guys, bro. Let me see it. ODC is not coming back next season, though. That's for like another 2 months.
What?
Yeah, Marvel's next.
Hold on.
Marvel?
Yeah,
Hold on.
Spacebar number.
Wait,
Oh my.
is Star coming back?
Lacey, I'm dead.
Don't worry, I got 2 off your back.
I feel like I'm the worst player in the whole fucking world.
I'll do it myself!
You think there's viewers that are better than me now?
Fuck it. I'm going viral on Twitter. I'm hitting a clip.
Let me see it.
You had it.
I don't know.
Oh my. Lacey.
Toe tickler, bitch. I'm a fucking toe tickler.
You got this, Lacey. You're 7 HP.
I know, Matt. How is it
Phasing through builds and
100,
shit.
dude?
Phasing through builds and shit.
Phasing through builds and shit. Bro, if y'all have a 30 kill win and then every other game y'all get like a top 10 with like maybe 5 kills, I can see how Quan.
Facts.
Yeah, chat. We
The
can call, right,
the
chat?
thing is, that, you know, it's the mentals that's gonna get to you guys. That's really
Where should we land?
Sandy.
Motherfucker said Sandy, bitch. We not at the beach. okay, run.
Oh, that was almost there.
Sorry, Lacey. Lacey?
Come on, Ron, you got this. He's hold on. Oh, Ron.
4-3. 4-3. Y'all looking swifty out there, dude.
Wait, who's winning us?
Nah.
No, we are. We have 4. It's okay.
On my box!
Unboxed.
15!
How did you even see me?
I'm chopping it!
Nice, good job, Ron. Sprayed him.
I can't lie, bro. Ron still got that aim, dude. Ron still
Good
got
shit,
that
Ron.
double things.
Good shit, Ron. That's what I fucking love to see from you.
Win by 2 or next one win.
Win by 2. Lacey, did you check the group chat who's coming tonight?
Who?
That's happening tonight.
Like, actually?
Yes.
Are we gonna talk about it?
No way.
No.
What's up?
Not yet.
No word.
But we have a special guest pulling up.
Go on.
Ron.
No.
Oh my God. Yes, come on, come on. Lacey, come on. Lacey, come on. He's 100. He's 89 HP. He's jumping down. Holy shit, I'm back. I'm back to what I used to be.
Come on, Ron.
Okay, he's 89 plus 50. What is that? He's dropping. He's dropped. He's dropped.
Oh my God.
Nice.
Chill.
Nice. You're chopped. You're nice. Yup. He's got 400 mats. Yup. He's running low. Nice. You're out at him. Yup. He's trying to chop you. He's chopping you. He's nice. He's gonna chop you. He's on the ground.
It's okay.
I can't focus, bro.
He's got 100 mats.
It's okay.
Nice. He's 80 HP.
Nice. Good comms, Ron.
110 HP. He's looking for a shot. He's shooting. He's reloading. He's shooting. He's building. He's jumping. 6 builds, 4 builds, 3 builds, 3 builds. Editing. Shot. He's on the ground. 0 builds. Chop. Run!
Lacey, how many mats did you have?
I was out.
No, this catcher's gonna go to shit. I think Ron shot GL.
Hold on. Just lock in. Ready? I got this.
Come on, Ron. We gotta win this round.
Yep. Win is my middle name.
Still got the reflexes, just like I was a little kid again.
He's cheating. I actually think he's cheating.
I know.
60?
Can you touch me?
20?
Oh, Ron, he has DMA. He's half there with Peter Bot.
What is that? DMA?
It's a new hack that Chris has.
Oh!
No! Help!
Reverse ramp side, baby.
Oh my!
Nice run.
He's one shot! Please, you can't sell!
Ron, I'm dead.
No, you actually can't. He's so low. 60, he's 60 HP. He has no mats! He has 1 build. Please, I'm dying. Yes. Oh. Lacey, he's... No builds.
Okay.
No builds.
My HP, Ron, look at my HP.
He can't shoot out. He can't shoot out. He's popping a minyo. He's shooting you down. Oh no, he's dead.
Oh, you said he can't shoot me out. Ron, you said he can't.
All right, Mons, put it back. Run it back.
God.
Make it me and run it back. I can't even believe I got that chop. Bro, I don't even think Ron saw that.
Full box to clip. Chat, we predict. Madison beer raid. Madison beer raid.
No ways. Y'all got any dope shit planned this week?
Wait, did Max tweet it? I think Max tweeted it. What the fuck is this? Alright. Madison Beer posted a phase up symbol.
No way.
No, she's not coming to the house. I got you, Lacey. I got you.
Okay.
Whoa.
Madison Beer tweeted she loves Lacey so much. No way. Oh my god, quick.
Dude,
I think we have this.
Loki still had it right there. What the fuck?
I'm not gonna lie,
like drop top
Lacey,
piece and shit.
can I bail out?
What?
Can I bail? Can you find someone else?
Well, you don't want to play around? CLIX.
Wait, who? Okay. Yo, who?
Please! It's not in season, please!
What?
I'll do anything, bro. Please, just play
Dude,
once
we're
a
not
week. We've never played a cash
quality,
cup. It's all gonna be wild. We've never played a cash cup. Please.
Wow,
bro.
you're gonna ditch me that quickly.
You just said to find someone else. What?
Watch this. I'm gonna kill CLIX just for you.
CLIX, please.
Dude.
Wow.
Ron's lying, bro. He's actually playing with you.
Just
Wow.
said find someone else.
Fuck you. I'm taking height. Watch this shit. I'm gonna show you how great I am. Great I am. I wanna fly. Can't you see me far away? Uh-oh. Nice, you got this. You got this, Lacey. Like that's
150?
No, he's actually. I think you. Is cheating that easy to do in this game nowadays?
No, it is. Like he's 100% cheating. Look, he just puts a cone through my build.
Bro, wait.
Cheater. He's a full cheater.
Bro,
He literally has speed control cheats. He has speed control X.
You actually could probably cheat. No, there's no way.
Dude, no one cheats in this fucking game. Well, no, like only like one pro. I think I know who's a little bit sus.
Wait,
Peter?
what?
Wait, what? Nah, I don't think it is.
Man, just finger my dog.
Turn around. Turn around.
I'm here to defend my friend. 200, bitch.
Nice.
Good shot, kid.
I want height. I want to show you something for real.
All right. I'll see you up
Lacey,
there.
I've been trolling this whole time.
Ron, are you actually playing?
Yes, I'm playing. Look at this. I've been trolling this whole time. Look at this. I'm a hustler. Ready? Watch. $180. Nice. Good shit.
Good kill, Lacey. Bring it on once.
That was 180 for me.
Good shit, Ron.
Yeah, no, that was,
I
that was a good shot,
9
dude.
months,
That was a
compete.
good shot.
Why am I running so fast?
It's the opposite of real life.
How's Japan, bro?
It's miserable. We had to walk around in the hot sun, paid for. They didn't even give us first class.
Stop.
180. Mom, on my mother's life, I'm gonna kill him.
Oh my god,
Let me get it, Lacey.
What are you doing?
Get him, Ron. Ron, he's weak. He's gotta be weak, Ron.
So weak.
Oh my fucking god. Holy fucking shit, dude. Why are you just trying to jump in, Lacey?
What do you mean?
That was like the scariest shit ever. I thought it was Ron. I thought he was one, dude.
Ron, we got 2 minutes.
I'm warm. Hold on.
Dude. He's just one cranking.
Oh shit, fuck me, CLIX. If you kill me, if you wanna fuck me.
140. I don't know where he is, bro.
No. Holy shit, that was
Wait,
swift
CLIX,
down
how,
50.
CLIX, how long am I aiming for?
Another 2 weeks? Well, no. 10 days?
I'm gonna come there.
Are you?
Well.
I'm gonna go there for the fight. Do you wanna go to it?
Yeah, bro. I was gonna have thanks if you could give me tickets. But
No, yeah, I want to go too.
Come, Ron, come.
I've been in the room.
If you wasn't invited,
Lacey was literally the one who said he's
Your whole
coming.
face just got invited.
if you
Yeah, what?
wasn't invited,
Alright.
don't what, chat?
Hey, mate. Yo, Lacey, you
Don't-
actually did that though?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna come for it.
Alright, bet.